Welcome to No2Bounce. I'm going to connect my Google Sheet and show how the app verifies email addresses from it. Clicking Connect starts Google's sign-in flow. I'll select the Google account that owns the sheet I want to verify. Since this app hasn't completed verification yet, Google shows this warning. I'll continue since this is my own test account. Here's the permission screen. We need drive access so the user can pick which file to import and read the email addresses inside it. I'll click Continue to grant this. The account is now connected. Now I'll select the specific spreadsheet. This is the drive access being used, letting the app list and pick the file the user wants to work with. I'll choose the worksheet in the column that contains email addresses, then load the data. This is the sheet scope being used. The app is reading the email column directly from the connected spreadsheet. I'll select the rows to check and run validation. The app sends each address through our verification engine and checks deliverability. Here are the results: deliverable, risky, and undeliverable breakdown for the addresses we just read from the sheet. The user can also view the results directly as a Google Sheet. At no point does the app modify the original file the user connected, it only reads from it and generates a separate results view.